So I've just seen that Amazon's opened their first cashier-less fresh store in London. This is the first one outside of America, so I think this is something pretty cool. A big point in time for kind of the high street and technology. So I'm gonna head over to Ealing now. It's about a 90-minute cycle for me, and see what it's about. Let's pause a second. What is an Amazon Fresh shop and why are they so interesting? Amazon Fresh is the UK versions of Amazon Go. Amazon Go launched in America about 3 years ago and since then has expanded to 20 till-less stores across the country. Till-less? What does that mean, you might be thinking? Well, it's exactly what it sounds like. There is no checkout process in these shops, meaning you'll simply walk in, scan the QR code on your Amazon app, pick up what you want and then leave. You will then charge the price of the items you pick up to your Amazon account. This is all done with a series of cameras along the ceiling and a bunch of other crazy Amazon tech. On with the video. So I've just arrived at the Amazon store, the new Amazon grocery store. As you can see, there is a massive queue. So I'm about to go and join that now and see what the experience is like. That's awesome, thanks man.
Hi.
How's it going?
Just a heads up. So I'm Lindsay, I'm with the PR team.
Okay.
We don't allow any professional photography.
Oh, I'm definitely not professional.
Well, we don't allow that. We only cell phone footage.
Okay. So I just got back. I think the cycle in the end was quite long, about 55 kilometers, so that's pretty cool. Let's switch out the helmet for a hat because lockdown trim is not looking good. So yeah, let's take a look at what I actually got and then kind of just generally talk about the experience. So I got this bag. You don't have to buy the Amazon bag. You can basically pick up anything and just put it into your own bag or just stick it in your pocket and it will still track you getting it, which I think is really cool. But I did decide to get the bag just because, you know, it's something interesting. And then I went for their meal deal. If you're from Britain, you know, meal deals are quite a big thing. Usually cost £3. I'm sure this cost a lot more because one thing about the shop is it just really wasn't cheap. Yeah, quite an expensive place to shop, especially if you're going to go there often. But if you're just going there once in a while, then I'd say it's fine. So I got this wrap, and I got a packet of crisps, and I got some iced tea, which I'm actually going to drink now because I am so thirsty. So let's actually take a look at the application because since I left the store, I haven't actually seen kind of my receipt. I'm not sure where you find this. I don't know whether it's in the orders of your Amazon account. Then still not seeing anything. I guess I'll check my email. So yeah, this is quite strange actually. I can't actually find my receipt of like the purchase that I made. I'm gonna have like a proper look online to see where I should be able to find it, and then I'll add in like the clip here. So literally just as I stopped recording, I actually got the notification for my receipt. So let's take a look at that. Well, I clicked on it and it didn't actually show it to me. Here we go. So buy Amazon Fresh greens wrap. Order summary, it shows the different items I got. It shows the subtotal, the promotions, order total, payment method. You can even request a refund down at the bottom. And as you can see, all the items are correct with what I bought. So pretty cool. Can't complain about that. It even says your trip time. So it shows how long I was inside the store, which I think is pretty cool. But in terms of my overall experience, obviously I cycled like a long way to get there. Just because I had nothing else to do today, well, other than studying, but didn't fancy doing that this morning. So yeah, I cycled a long way to get there. Then the queue was extremely long. Everyone was very sociable in the queue, both the people working there as well as just the other people who were excited about trying out the shop. The queue, although there's a lot of people because people were just going in, grabbing a few things and leaving, meant that they were probably in there for kind of 10 minutes, so the queue in total was about 15 minutes long. Inside, they didn't actually let me film with my proper camera, hence why I was filming on my phone. Apparently my camera looked too professional and they didn't allow like professional photography or filming inside the store, which is fair enough. I think that's quite normal. Then when I was looking around in the store, I noticed all these like little black boxes on the ceiling. These are the cameras that actually kind of track you as you walk around. So after you've scanned your QR code when you enter, you're then being tracked kind of during your whole time in the store, and then whatever you pick up, it recognizes that you've picked up that item. It will charge it to your Amazon account. If you put it back, then it won't be on your order anymore, which is pretty cool. And yeah, as I said before, you don't actually have to put it in the Amazon bag. You can put it in the like rucksack you brought, you can put it in your pocket. So the overall experience was extremely convenient. In terms of the actual things like inside the shop, everything was like quite premium. It definitely isn't a cheap shop. It wouldn't be somewhere I'd go often. However, if I had one near me and I needed to grab something quickly, I probably would go there, mainly because of how cool the concept is, but also I think the quality of the food will be good. So overall, it was a really cool experience. Being able to go to like the first one in the UK is something I'll definitely remember. I'm sure in like 5 years time they'll be absolutely everywhere, and I'll kind of be able to think like, I went to the first one on the second day it was open and that was really cool. I'm sure we'll also start seeing this technology in other shops. I bet they have a patent of some kind, but you can always get around those kind of things. So over the next 10 years, I bet we're going to see a lot less cashiers and a lot more kind of trackers and sensors. And I don't really know how I feel about that, to be honest, because there's quite obvious positives and negatives about that. Obviously, people will be losing their jobs, but then the convenience is also quite cool. Let me know what you think about this in the comments section below. If you enjoyed this video, please do click the like button and subscribe if you want to see more. See you in the next one.